Hi there, I'm Red, ready to spread.
And I'm Blue, how do you do?
I'm Yellow, one peppy fellow.
Welcome to our magical art studio.
But oh no, what's happening?
Our colors are fading away.
What should we do?
I know, let's mix and make new hues.
Can you help us mix our colors?
What happens when we mix red and blue?
Let's find out together.
Red and blue, what can we do?
Red and blue, what can we do?
Mix them up to make something new.
Mix them up to make something new.
Wow, we made purple.
Now what if yellow and I combine? Blue and yellow, oh so bright.
Blue and yellow, oh so bright.
Mixed together with all our might.
Mixed together with all our might. Green, it's so pretty and fine.
My turn with yellow. What do you think we'll see? Red and yellow, colors so bold.
Red and yellow, colors so bold.
Mix them up and watch it unfold.
Mix them up and watch it unfold. Orange, as bright as can be.
We did it. Our colors are back and even better.
Thank you for helping us, little artists.
Let's celebrate with a colorful dance party.